Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance in the US. First, understand that Binance US is the specific platform designed for users within the United States. It's crucial to know that not all US states support Binance US services due to varying regulations. Before you begin, please verify if your state is eligible to use the platform to avoid any issues during registration. Once you confirm eligibility, the next step is creating your account. You'll need to provide your email and set a strong, unique password. After that, you must complete identity verification, which typically involves submitting a government-issued ID and a selfie. This process ensures compliance and security. Finally, you can fund your account using methods like bank transfers or debit cards, usually with a minimum deposit of $10. With your account funded, you can now explore the trading features. Binance US offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies for buying, selling, and trading. You can use various order types, such as market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to set a specific price. Beyond trading, the platform also provides opportunities for staking, allowing you to earn rewards on certain assets and other investment options. Security is paramount when using any crypto platform. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for an extra layer of protection on your account. Make sure to use a strong, unique password that isn't reused elsewhere. Be vigilant against phishing attempts and always double-check the website URL to ensure you are on the official Binance US site. Protecting your assets is a shared responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.